Takt time, also known as takt, is a manufacturing term that describes the time available to complete a task divided by the customer demand for the service or product. In a mass production sense, takt time requires adjusting product assembly time to satisfy the demand, and doing so in a way that is efficient and profitable. The phrase is derived from the Japanese Takt Time, taken from the German word Taktzeit, meaning cycle time. However, takt time should not be confused with cycle time. Cycle time, lead time, and takt time are all considered lean metrics, which are used to measure the overall efficiency of production processes. Takt time may be thought of as the pace of each production cycle, synchronized to meet the specific demand. All three lean methods are represented on this bar graph. Each bar is an individual cycle time. The bars taken together make up the lead time, and the horizontal line represents the ideal takt time. By implementing takt time, companies can become more efficient and provide better service to their customers. If a part of the manufacturing process is unable to operate at takt time, additional resources or process adjustments are needed to ensure customer demands are met. Takt time requires multiple departments working in conjunction, including process design, floor operations, scheduling departments, and others.